Implement touch using Python. Touch is a Unix utility that sets the modification and access times of files to the current time of day. If the file doesn't exist, it is created with default permissions. How would you implement it as a Python function? Try to be cross-platform and complete. Current Google results for Python touch file are not that great, but point to os.utime.
This tries to be a little more race-free than the other solutions. The with keyword is new in Python 2.5. Roughly equivalent to this. Now, to really make it race-free, you need to use few times and change the timestamp of the open file handle, instead of opening the file and then changing the timestamp on the file name, which may have been renamed. Unfortunately, Python doesn't seem to provide a way to call few times without going through seed types or similar. Edit. As noted by Nate Parsons, Python 3.3 will add specifying a file descriptor, when os.supports_fd, to functions such as os.utime, which will use the fewtime syscall instead of the utime syscall under the hood. In other words,
why not try this? I believe this eliminates any race condition that matters. If the file does not exist, then an exception will be thrown. The only possible race condition here is if the file is created before open, is called but after os.utime. But this does not matter because in this case the modification time will be as expected since it must have happened during the call to touch.
Looks like this is new as of Python 3.4, pathlib. This will create a file .text at the path. Path.touch, mode equals 00777, exist_ok equals true, create a file at this given path. If mode is given, it is combined with the process mask value to determine the file mode and access flags. If the file already exists, the function succeeds if exist_ok is true, and its modification time is updated to the current time, otherwise fully exists error is raised.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.